everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Shraddha and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you so much for liking my previous video that I have made about the healthy gifting options for Diwali, and as I have promised in my previous video that I'll be posting another gifting option video for you guys. So here I am. Well, giving sweets and home decors during Diwali or any other festival is so common and outdated. I personally prefer giving useful gifts to my friends and family. So I thought of sharing few options with you guys as well that are useful and on budget. So all the products that I'll be showing you today are under rupees 1000 and all the products are related to kitchen. If in case you want me to make any other specific video, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to do that for you guys. So without talking anything else, let's just dive into the video. Well, there were plenty of options and it was so tough to choose few products for you all. So the first gift item that I thought would be useful is this beautiful looking Pigeon aluminium non-stick cookware. So it's a set of 3 with 1 lid and look at the color. Priced at rupees 849. All the detailed descriptions and everything you can have a look on the website. So I'll be mentioning the link down there in the description box. In case you want to have a look on this product, you can go and check it. I have already used few kitchen items from Pigeon and I'm pretty impressed with their quality, and I'm sure that you must have also heard about it. So yes, this was the first one. The next gift option that I thought would be really very useful are these glass jars. So there were plenty of options. So the one that I'm showing you, these are round, then there are hexagon, and few options that I have saw was pot shaped and they were also very beautiful. So as I said, I'll mention the links, different links in the description box. You can go and have a look on them. So this particular glass container, they come in a set of 12 pieces and priced at just rupees 975. However, as you can see, originally it is quite highly priced, but because of the sale and everything going on, you can get it at a very nominal and discounted price. So I have also seen the 200 ml of 12 glass jars that were for rupees 575, and there were a few more options, so you can go and have a look on them as well. I'm sure because these days we prefer not using plastic, instead we try using glass and steel or so it could be a very thoughtful gift that you can give. The next product, I can say it's one of my favorite. It's this beautiful looking handcrafted spice rack with a wooden spoon. It's from Cast Castle, and as I said, it's totally handmade, made with shisham wood. So you will be getting 9 boxes in this big box which you can see through. Along with that, you will get a wooden spoon and all the dimensions is there on the screen, so you can have a look on this. Priced at rupees 699, would be a great gift this Diwali to gift to your relatives or neighbors. The fourth option that I'm having is again something made up of glass. So this one is the Borosil basic glass mixing bowl. This comes in a set of 4, priced at rupees 910. So you will be getting 350 ml, 500 ml, 900 ml and 1 liter of glass bowls that could be easily used for serving and mixing both. So these are microwave safe, you can put it in fridge, freezer, and also these are dishwasher safe as well. So I think it could be a perfect gifting option to give. Winters are almost here and the best thing one can have during winters are soups. And what if your soup gets served in these beautiful looking soup bowls? While I was browsing through Amazon's website, I came across such a beautiful prints of these elegant looking soup bowls. These are made in India, comes with a variety of color and pattern. They look so elegant and can go with one's kitchen's aesthetics as well. So if you know someone who would really appreciate this gift, it could be a perfect gifting option this Diwali. So yes guys, these were few products that you can buy from Amazon under rupees 1000. I have shared all the links in the description box. In case you want to check, you can go ahead and check them out. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you are having any other video requests, do let me know in the comment section. Follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page. All the links are there in the description box as well. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe. And if you have watched the video till now, then make sure that you hit that like button below. So yes, now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.